Hey everyone, what's going on? My name is Shihan Chowdhury, aka Chili Pepper Cooks, and today we are making a saucy, spicy, salty, sweet wings. These wings are Asian inspired, so the base for these wings is Gochujang. Now Gochujang is something that you can get at most Asian international markets. For your game day parties, you will be sure to impress your guests. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take some wings. Now here I have about 1 pound of wings, but the amount of sauce that we're making is good for about 3 to 4 pounds. So first we're gonna put some oil in there, about 3 tablespoons. Then we're gonna season it with 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and about a tablespoon of paprika. Now you wanna marinate this at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Now you want to take your wings and you want to bake it at 425 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. My sweet spot seems to be about 18 minutes. Now this is with 1 pound of chicken wings. If you have more chicken wings, you might need to keep it in there a little bit longer. Obviously for this, you can just stick a meat thermometer in there. Once it hits 165, you can take it out. Now for the sauce. Here we have minced shallots. I'm putting in about 3 tablespoons of minced shallots, but you can also put in less if you want. Now here the ratio for garlic to ginger is for every 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, I'm doing a half a tablespoon of minced ginger. Now here's the thing, you don't want to use the paste, you want to use minced, so it should be cut into little, very little pieces. And if you do the mincing yourself, make sure that it's actually really little pieces. Half a cup gochujang paste. One-fourth cup brown sugar. We have a tablespoon of minced garlic. Half a tablespoon of minced ginger. 2 tablespoons honey. Tablespoon toasted sesame oil. 2 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1/3 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoon shallots. Now the next ingredient I'm adding is the Thai chili pepper. You can use any type of pepper or you can omit this because the gochujang itself is really spicy, but I'm using the Thai chili pepper to give it that extra aroma. We're gonna mix all that up and it should be a liquidy consistency. So when we mix up the sauce and it gets on the wings, it actually coats the wings very well. And when you bite into the wings, you're gonna get those pops of the ginger and the garlic, and it's gonna go great with the sauce and the chicken. Next, we're gonna garnish it with cilantro to bring that freshness in. Alright, now for the taste test. Let's see how it is. Wow, that is so good. You can taste that gochujang paste right away. It's spicy, but you get that sweetness from the brown sugar and the honey that we put in there. And you get the little kicks, the ginger and the garlic and the shallots as well. This is a game day winner. You have to make this. Until next time, I'll see you later.